Hey guys, thank you for joining me. And on this episode, I'm going to show you something that you rarely see with the Iron 6. In fact, I don't think you've seen it unless you watched the very first episode I ever uploaded, which was an overview of this car. So I want to show you that, and I want to give you some updates. It's obviously a very busy time of year right now with the holidays, so I haven't gotten much done, but there are a few things I wanted to discuss. Also, I recently discovered the free sound effects library on YouTube. So get ready for that. I fully intend on using a bunch of them because, well, they're free and they're cool, so why not? So, in order to show you what I want to show you, I need to move the Iron 6. So let's do that now. Seriously, it's the little things in life. Welcome to the Grease Rookie channel. I'm Andrew, and this channel is all about my journey resto-modding the 65 Mustang, aka the Iron 6. Now, I'm doing this on a budget and with rookie knowledge, hence the name Grease Rookie. So with that being said, let's jump into it. This, I really wanted to share with you. You guys very rarely ever see this side of the car because it's up against this wall. It's never appeared in a thumbnail, and you only ever saw it, I think, briefly in the very first video I uploaded about buying this car. What's unique about it? The driver door and the rear quarter panel, if you can tell now, are off of a 66 Mustang. That, in fact, makes this a very rare 65.5 Mustang. What this means for 2020, because we are getting close to 2020, and I said early in 2020, fingers crossed, we're going to be moving on to the bodywork, which is what I'm most excited about. I think what I want to do to approach the bodywork on this side of the car, I'm seriously considering ordering a door skin and just welding on a new door skin. I feel like, and I could be wrong, but the way this is done, and I need to get in here, obviously the door is set a little low, there's some adjustments that need to be made. But I think welding on a reproduction skin might be the better way to go, rather than trying to fix all this up. I don't know. I could be wrong, but right now that's mainly what I'm considering doing. I need to get in here and see how well this work was done with the 66 quarter. I need to get this putty off and determine how well things are lining up. If things look reasonably good, I might just weld in a lower section panel here. There's going to have to be some welding done on it for sure. If things are looking a bit fishy, welding in an entire new quarter panel might be the way I go on this side. Those are two of the bodywork projects I'm looking at for 2020. Also, I had said in a previous video, welding in a new floor pan on the driver's side. The passenger side is pretty solid, not much to worry about there. I have different thoughts every time I look at this. Some days I see it and I think it's best to just weld in a whole new section. Other days I feel like it's not that bad. Really what I need to do is get in here and start sanding and removing rust and find out the extent of the damage. I need to do that to the underside as well. But I'm back and forth as to whether or not I'm going to do a half driver's side section or just a front section. I don't know. But that's some of the projects we have coming down fairly soon for the Iron 6. I'm talking as though I'm more than capable of doing this kind of work, where in reality I've done very little welding. I'm confident that I can do this with enough practice, but as I've said, I've got rookie knowledge here and there's a lot for me to learn. The other thing I want to share with you, I get a lot of people that send me pictures of their cars, and I've shown a few of them on the channel before. I would like to start a very quick, short, cool car segment where every episode I show someone's car off. So if that's something you guys would like, let me know in the comments. Okay, so pay attention, this part is important. If you want to send me pictures of your cool car, email me at greaserookie@gmail.com. I'll also put that in the description below. I think it could be cool, but if you guys don't want me to waste your time with it, just let me know and I won't do it. So, all that being said, let's take a look at this week's cool car. Steve reached out to me and shared this 68 SS Chevelle. And what's unique about this car is because of a shortage, it's one of very few cars that actually have a Buick interior. And I've mentioned before, Buicks hold a special place in my heart, so very cool to me. Anyway, Steve, thank you for sharing that. It's a cool car. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover. Where we are headed with this in the next episode is I'm gonna pull the pan off of the transmission, check that over, get fluid in it, and see if we can't get these back wheels turning. If we could, that would be epic. I am still waiting on parts from CJ Pony Parts, so we're still dealing with that. But I have a whole list of things I can do now if those parts don't show up, so plenty of stuff down the road. Headed into 2020, we are finally gonna be doing bodywork, which is what I am most looking forward to with this car. So be looking out for that. I think that's everything. So until next time, take care.